Okay, this is the analysis of a 2x2 repeated measures or within groups design. In this data set, which is called interaction data repeated, we have 4 combinations of pie and topping. So in the first column we've got apple pie and no topping, then apple pie with custard, steak pie with no topping, and steak pie with custard. So each row corresponds to one participant. So this is participant number 1. They rated apple pie with no topping as a 5 out of 10. Apple pie with custard as 8 out of 10. Steak pie with none, 5 out of 10. And steak pie with custard, 2 out of 10. Okay, so in this data set we've got 20 participants, all of whom have been involved in all 4 of the experimental conditions. Okay, so to do the analysis we click on Analyze, then we go down to General Linear Model. This time we need repeated measures. Okay. So our first independent variable we'll call pi. It has 2 levels, so we click Add, and then we have topping, which also has 2 levels, so we click Add for that. Then we click Define. Now this is telling SPSS which columns to look for each level. So you can see here it says pie and then topping. So the first level of pie and then topping is apple pie and none. So the second one, pie and topping, is the same level of pie, apple, only this time it'll be with custard. So those go there, that one goes there, and that one goes there. Okay. Now we can ask it to draw us a plot, so we'll put pie on the horizontal axis, topping on separate lines. Click Add and Continue. We'll click Options, ask it for descriptives, estimates of effect size, and observed power. Okay. And then we click Continue, and it should do the Anova for us. Once we click